Welcome to Keys Natural Skin Health Solutions, PODS. PODS are brought to you by keyspure.com. PODS are 1-minute tips and insights presented by Bob Root, Keys Chief Scientist and Founder.
Science Series, The Clinical Credibility Framework, Replacing Marketing with Mechanisms. In 2026, Keys adopted a new communication strategy we call the Clinical Credibility Framework. Today, let's break down what that means and why it matters. Walk into any skincare aisle, natural or conventional, and you'll see vague language everywhere. Rejuvenates skin, deeply nourishes, restores radiance. These phrases sound good, but they communicate nothing about what a product actually does biologically. The Clinical Credibility Framework replaces that marketing language with specific, evidence-backed claims. Every product description now follows a consistent structure. Mechanism statement: what the product does biologically, not cosmetically. Active compound identification: which specific molecules drive the effect. Published research context: where these mechanisms have been documented. Clinical dosing: whether actives are present at therapeutically relevant concentrations. For example, instead of saying natural skin relief, we describe Medicare Ayurvedic therapy lotion this way: powered by pharmaceutical-grade neem and karanja oils, documented in over 300 peer-reviewed studies for broad-spectrum antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory efficacy against the primary microbial triggers of eczema, psoriasis, acne, and seborrheic dermatitis. Notice the difference? One version makes you feel good. The other tells you exactly what to expect and why. This isn't just more precise language, it's a fundamental shift in how natural skincare can position itself, not as an alternative to clinical care, but as clinical care delivered through botanical actives. When you understand the mechanism, you can predict the outcome. That's clinical credibility.
Thank you for listening to Bob. Please tell your friends and be sure to visit keyspure.com.